morning, dear students. I am Sanjana Gadgil with a new video on voice. Hope you have watched the previous video which were based on articles. In this video, we are going to discuss voices. In English grammar, verbs have 5 properties: voice, mood, tense, person and number. Here we are concerned with voice. If you are asked by someone that what is voice, your answer should be that voice is the property of verb. Remember, the voice is the property of verb. There are two grammatical voices, active voice and passive voice. Now the question arises, what is the difference between active and passive voice? To understand the difference, we take active voice first. What does it say? It says, when the subject of a sentence performs the verb's action, we say that the sentence is in active voice. In other words, we can say that in active voice, the subject performs the action described by the verb. With the following examples, we'll make the idea more clear. Rabbits adore carrots. Here, rabbit is the subject of the verb adore. Adore means to love. Rabbits adore carrots means rabbits love carrots. खरगोश गाजर पसंद करते हैं. यहाँ पर खरगोश सीधे सीधे पसंद करने की क्रिया करते हैं, इसलिए हम बोल सकते हैं कि ये जो सेंटेंस है ये एक्टिव वॉइस में है. ये जो दूसरा सेंटेंस है, द डॉग चेस्ड द स्क्विरल, यहाँ पर ये जो चेस्ड है, चेस्ड वर्ब का मतलब होता है पीछे भागना. तो कुत्ता गिलहरी के पीछे भागता है. तो यहाँ पर हम देख रहे हैं कि जो ये भागने की क्रिया है ये किसके द्वारा की जा रही है? कुत्ते के द्वारा की जा रही है. तो यहाँ पर ये जो सब्जेक्ट द डॉग है ये एक्टिव है और द सेंटेंस इज सेड टू बी इन एक्टिव वॉइस. Both the sentences, the construction is used subject, verb and object. This is the basic construction of active voice. And here the subject, in other words, we can say the active voice is the voice in which subject is active. Subject performs the task or action described by the verb. Let's see the passive voice. One can change the normal word order of many active sentences as that the subject is no longer active but is instead being acted upon by the verb or passive. It means in passive voice the subject remains passive. It does not do the work described by the verb. For example, carrots are adored by rabbits. Here, carrots are adored by rabbits means गाजर खरगोशों के द्वारा पसंद की जाती है. यहाँ पर गाजर को पसंद करने वाले कौन है? रैबिट्स हैं. तो ये जो सेंटेंस है ये पैसिव वॉइस में कहलाया जाएगा क्योंकि यहाँ पर कैरेट यानी गाजर पैसिव है. द स्क्विरल वॉज चेस्ड बाय द डॉग. इस सेंटेंस में फिर अपन देखते हैं कि जो स्क्विरल गिलहरी है इसके पीछे कुत्ता भाग रहा है, यानी जो भागने का काम है कुत्ते के द्वारा किया जा रहा है गिलहरी के पीछे. तो यहाँ पर इस सेंटेंस में हमारा यह जो सब्जेक्ट है द स्क्विरल ये भी पैसिव है. यह कोई काम नहीं कर रहा है बल्कि इसके लिए काम किया जा रहा है. तो दूसरे शब्दों में कहा जा सकता है कि एक्टिव वॉइस में सब्जेक्ट एक्टिव रहता है तो पैसिव वॉइस में सब्जेक्ट पैसिव रहता है, यानी वो कोई काम नहीं करता है, उसके लिए काम किया जाता है. टू चेंज द सेंटेंस फ्रॉम एक्टिव टू पैसिव, do the following. Here we will learn how a active voice can be changed into the passive voice. What steps should be taken by us? The first step, move the active sentences direct object into the sentences subject slot. Means the subject of the active voice will become the object in passive voice, or the object of the active voice will become the subject in passive voice. Look at this sentence which is written in active voice. Rabbits adore carrots. Here subject is rabbits adore is the verb and carrots is the object. And this object carrots will become the subject in passive voice. Carrots are adored by rabbits. Here carrots is the subject. The next thing that is done by us to change the voice, place the active sentences subject into a phrase beginning with the preposition by. Means the subject of the active voice will become the object in passive voice, and by will be used before the object. For example, rabbits adore carrots. The sentence will be in passive voice. Carrots are adored by rabbits. By rabbits is the object in passive voice. The third thing which should be done by us, to add a form of the auxiliary verb be to the main verb and change the main verb's form into past participle. Auxiliary verb means helping verb, and be means is, am, are, was, were. We have to use as per the tense form of the sentence in active voice. In this example, rabbits adore carrots. Here the sentence is in simple present tense. That is why we have used are adored. The sentence in passive voice is carrots are adored by rabbits. Here we are using are because the subject carrots is plural and the tense is in simple present tense. So we are using are here. And the third form of the verb adore is adored. So the sentence will be carrots are adored by rabbits. We will see the use of passive voice. Passive voice is used when the focus is on the action. It is not important or not known, however, who or what is performing the action. It means when the performer or the doer is unknown, we will use passive voice. For example, my bike was stolen. मेरी बाइक चोरी चली गई. अब चोरी किसने की है अपने को ये नहीं मालूम. तो यदि एक्टिव वॉइस में सेंटेंस बनाते तो सेंटेंस ऐसा बोल सकते थे अपन कि someone has stolen my bike. But here the sentence my bike was stolen is more impressive because the person who stole the bike is unknown. And sometimes a statement in passive is more polite than the active voice. When we want to speak more politely, in that case we can use in passive voice. For example, a mistake was made. In this case, the focus is on the fact that a mistake was made, but no one is blamed. Here we are not blaming anyone. We only want to say a mistake was made. So this sentence is more polite. So we can say, to speak a more polite sentence, we can use passive voice. Now we will learn how the pronoun will be changed. When the subject is he, it will become object in passive voice. So we cannot use he. When it becomes passive voice, we have to use him. Likewise, she performs the work of a subject, and when it performs the task of an object, it will become her. I is used as a subject, and me when it is used as an object. We will be a subject and us will be used in object. They will be changed into them and you will not be changed. Here, example, I would like to explain you. He plays hockey. The sentence is in active voice. The subject is he, plays the verb, and hockey is the object. He subject, plays verb, and hockey object. And when we will change the sentence into passive voice, the sentence will be hockey is played by him. So note, he change into him. And this way we can use all these pronouns in active voice and passive voice. So students, we are going to finish the lecture here, but before finishing I would like to say, in this video we learn the basic things related to the voices. The next video will be more interesting because in that video we will learn how to change the active voice into the passive voice. Till then, keep studying, stay happy.